Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the market was relatively quiet overnight due to the fact that the US banks were closed for Labor Day. The Australian dollar failed to make any significant moves in the last 24 hours with the resistance still capped at 79.8595. Today we have the announcement of the RBA monetary policy meeting along with the RBA rate statement. It is unlikely that any interest rate change will be seen and will remain at the historic lows of 1.5%. That being said, the RBA rate statement could be a turning point for the Australian dollar if the RBA talk the currency down. The immediate target for a technical point is at 79.15, and then beneath there my objective still remains at 78.50. Viewing any advances towards 79.8595 is still seen as an opportunity, purely for the fact is has clearly struggled towards the 80-cent handle. Therefore, I expect to see any fresh challenges towards the top side fail. As you can see, the market rejected back here in July around the 80-cent handle, and then we had a bearish outside range day which is still intact. So therefore this is the reason, plus the technical implications, is I feel the market will sell off. Well, as I mentioned, the banks in the US were closed for Labor Day. The market ended for the euro to an uneventful day. That being said, from the recent posted shooting star, as well as the rejection from 119.7075 on Friday, I still view any advances beyond 119.25 as a potential sell zone. Overall, I expect to see the market re-challenge the 118.60 support with the objective holding to 117.9095. But that all boils down to, I suppose, is if the dollar index can continue to rally, and we need to keep a close watch on that, because we still need momentum from the index. Purely for the fact is that the euro is weighted against the dollar index at 57.6. So if the US dollar can rally, then the market will eventually reach its objectives. Well, the dollar yen case is turning back to a slightly negative outlook after the recent rejection from that 110.70. The market gapped down yesterday and it's still struggling to show any rebound. With the immediate target coming in at 109.30, it is viewed that towards 108.70 should again draw demand, with the firm base holding at 108.30.35. So trading it from a bullish point, just be a little bit cautious in case we get a sharp turn down to re-challenge this region under the 109 handle. Well, the pound pretty much going nowhere, again still consolidating for the 7th day and locked in the range of 128.80 to 129.8595. But do note though, you can see from the technical point, the market is slightly turning back towards a bearish case. Therefore, I expect to see the view that I'm holding for this week to challenge the 128.80 and lower down towards 127.90 with the base at 127.0515. My view on gold is pretty much reached this objective of 1,340. Above there, I don't have a view until 1,360. So that's, yes, that is a 20-point rally if we see a break above 40. I am a little bit concerned, purely for the fact is that these indicators are extremely overbought. So I am not bullish at this point in range here at 40. I expect to see a pullback and slowly or even consolidate towards a 1,326 to 28 and reassess from there, with the uptrend still holding at 1,300 to 04 to 06. Like gold, silver is the same. It's overbought and I'm still showing concerns, even though we have had a break above 70, that little follow through was seen. Overall, we could still see $18 figure 10 to be reached or challenged, should I say. But the uptrend is now seen around 117.25.35. Only a break beneath there would give further scope to the downside. And to wrap up with oil, market still looks bullish in terms of this challenge towards the top side, and a break could actually see beyond $48 to up to 50 as a target and reassess from there, with a base now seen firmly from $45.70. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead of us.